Welcome to the Seventh Dispensation Podcast. Today we're going to be reading the divine revelation called Alpha Quine, and the chapter that we are reading from today is called The Science of Motion. All right, so the book says this. From the atom, the brain is produced. The brain is the first thing produced in all living organisms. The brain is what sets the pattern of the form. When the elements in the sperm and the elements in the ovum connect, a brain is produced, which begins to mutate its form, evolving into an embryo, then a fetus, and eventually a human being. The human body is the most magnificent creation by design. And this is why it is the highest form of existence, the supreme being. Now, in the scriptures, it says, God created man in his own image. In the image of God, he created him, male and female. He created them. It is a scientifically, mathematically, archaeologically, and anthropological fact that we are older than Caucasian people. This is something that we cannot deny. We can't deny that. So, God is going to create a race of people, male and female. How are you going to do this, oh God? I am going to go into the DNA, the master molecule, which is the acid located in the nucleus of the living cell. And I am going to alter the genes and change the hereditary characteristics, modifying scientific traits such as eye color, skin color, and blood. When you look around the world, right, we all have black or brown eyes. Some of us have green or hazel eyes. But there are only a select few people on the earth who has blue eyes. So according to this book, the Alpha Quine, it says that God said, I am going to go into the DNA, the master molecule, which is the acid located in the nucleus of the living cell. And I am going to alter the genes and change the hereditary characteristics, modifying scientific traits such as eye color. See, it's only one race of people on this planet that have blue eyes. Then it says, I'm going to change the skin color. We all the same color. If you Asian, if you Indian, if you Latino, if you African, if you black, no matter what country you're from, brown, no matter what country you're from, we all got the same skin color. We dark skin, we brown skin, we light skin, we light brown, we dark brown. We all the same color. But there's only one race of people who have pale, white skin. So just look. It's only one race of people with blue eyes. It's only one race of people with pale, white skin. And what else does the book say? It says, and blood type. Blood type. Have y'all ever seen the scientific study that they did in the 60s? Where they took white people's blood and they took black people's blood. They took Indian people's blood. They took Asian people's blood. They took Latino people's blood. They ran a check. Do you know that all of our blood, the blacks, the Latinos, the Asians, the Indians, do you know that all of our blood had something in it that they called pigmentation? They said that this is what gave us the color skin that we have, the texture of our skin. But the only people who do not have pigmentation is white people. So you gotta think, they're the only one who got blue eyes, bleared eyes. They're the only one who got blonde hair. They're the only ones who got pale skin. And they're the only one whose blood type is different. No pigmentation in their blood type. They're the only one